excited to show you how to use the VLCC Pedicure and Manicure kit at home. So firstly, let's take a look what's inside. So we have a foot and a hand soak, scrub, cuticle cream, massage cream and a mask. So let's begin with the first step. So take a warm water and add a soak into it and stir it well until it dissolves. Okay, and soak your hand for 10 to 15 minutes to soften the skin and nails. Second step is a cuticle oil. So dry your hand with a towel and apply a cuticle oil to your cuticles and let it sit for a few minutes. So use a cuticle pusher to gently push back the cuticles. Next step is exfoliation. Apply this to your hand and gently scrub in circular motions. So this helps in cells. Next comes a massage cream. Apply this massage cream thoroughly, focusing on your dead skin cells, and this not only helps in relaxing but also in dehydration of your skin. Next comes the VLCC foot and hand mask. So let it for about 10 minutes on your hands, and this step helps to deeply nourish and moisturize your skin and also removes the tan on your skin.